Hi everyone. اتكلمنا قبل كده عن الverb to be وقلت بستخدمه في ان انا description people, description place او مثلا اقول الستيتس بتاعتي انا دلوقتي تعبانة فبقول I am tired. طب انا بتكلم مع حد وعايزة اقوله ان انا امبارح كنت تعبانة، ينفع اقول I am tired؟ لا، بستخدم بقى ساعتها الverb to be في الباست، يعني ببدل am و is و are ب was and were. طيب عايز اعرف دلوقتي الاستخدامات. Hi everyone, this is Fatma Ahmed and you are in your English way. Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn about was and were. These are the best form of verb to be. Talk about people, places or things in the past. استخدامات was and were ايه؟ اول حاجة was بتيجي مع I، بتيجي مع he و she و at واسم مفرد. اسم مفرد زي ايه؟ قلنا قبل كده زي علي، زي فاطمة، زي منة. طيب were بتيجي مع we و you و they واسم جمع. يعني ايه اسم جمع؟ يعني فاطمة and أحمد، علي and محمد، وكل ده شرحناه قبل كده. I was tired yesterday. I was tired yesterday. He was happy. She was at the clinic. She was at the clinic. You were late. انت كنت متأخر. You were late. We were busy. We were busy. They were at the park. They were at the park. الexamples دول تاني وانتوا هتكرروا ورايا. Okay? I was tired yesterday. I was tired yesterday. He was happy. He was happy. He was happy. She was at the clinic. She was at the clinic. She was at the clinic. You were late. You were late. You were late. We were busy. We were busy. We were busy. They were at the park. They were at the park. ويبقى أنا كده خدت was and were وقلت استخداماتهم إيه زي الverb to be بالظبط، بس الفرق إن أنا بتكلم عن حاجة حصلت زمان من verb to be. ده الباست من verb to be. النفي بتاعهم like verb to be كده بجيب was and were وبحط جنبيهم not وبقدر أعمل لهم contraction. بقدر أعمل لهم contraction. Was not تبقى wasn't. Wasn't. Were not weren't. 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 Okay? I wasn't tired. Repeat after me. I wasn't tired. أنا ما كنتش تعبان. He wasn't at home. بيجوا قدامك مثلا وبيقولوا إن هو كان في البيت فهتقول إيه؟ He wasn't at home. He wasn't at home. They weren't ready. They weren't ready. They weren't ready. هم ما كانوش مستعدين. Okay? الquestion السؤال اللي بجاوب عليه بشورت answer زي كده I was tired. عايزة أعمل سؤال short answer أجاوب عليه اللي هو سؤال was and were علشان أجاوب yes or no. I was tired. أنا عايزة أسأله عايزة أسأله أنت كنت تعبان؟ فبقول إيه؟ Were you tired? Were you tired? طب عايزة أسأل نفسي هو أنا كنت تعبان؟ Was I tired? Was I tired? Examples تاني. Repeat after me. Was he tired? Was he tired? Was she at the school? Was she at school? Was she at school? Yes, she was, or no, she wasn't. Yes, she was, or no, she wasn't. Were you ready? Were you ready? Were you ready? No, I wasn't. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Yes, I was. Were they happy? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. دول اسمهم short answer. طيب في كلمات عندي كده بتدل ان انا عايزه استخدم عايزة اقول الحاجة دي في الماضي زي yesterday امبارح. انا ينفع اقول انا امبارح كنت يعني احنا بالعربي مثلا لما بنيجي نقولها انا امبارح كنت تعبان، مش بقول انا امبارح تعبان، لا بقول كنت دي بتحل محل was and were. اوكي، يبقى انا مثلا النهارده بتكلم عن today فبقول I am tired. بتكلم عن yesterday I was tired بشيل am بحط was. اوكي، طيب ممكن كمان ايه كلمات تاني تدل عندي على الماضي past. last night, last week, last month. اي بقى last حاجة يعني حاجة ماضية. اوكي، طيب 2 days ago من يومين فاتوا الحدث ده انتهى، او الحاجة اللي انا بتكلم عنها ما بقتش موجودة خلاص اختفت، فبقول بستخدم معاها past. الباست بتاع verb to be. 2 days ago in 2020 حاجة خلصت في 2020 بتكلم عليها. Were you at the clinic yesterday? No, I was at home yesterday. They were at the park last week. دلوقتي دوركم، عايزاكم تكتبوا لي 3 جمل فيهم was and were. اتكلموا مثلا عن نفسكم امبارح، الستيتس بتاعتكم، اوصفوا لي حد امبارح، اوصفوا لي مكان. المهم تتكلموا عن 3 جمل مختلفين. حاولوا تستخدموا was and were واكتبوهم في الكومنتس لو عايزين نصححها لكم. Now دلوقتي بقى السلو بودكاست اللي معايا هيكون related بالباست بتاع الفيرب to be، مليان examples كتير، اتمنى تسمعوه كويس. Yesterday the city was quiet, the sky was blue, the air was soft, I was alone but I was calm, my room was clean, my window was open, there was a small bird on the tree, my thoughts were slow, my memories were gentle, the streets were empty, the shops were closed, my friends were busy, but I was thankful. At night, the lights were soft, I was ready to sleep, and everything was okay. متنسوش تعملوا 3 sentences تكتبوا فيها أو تتكلموا فيها عن past من verb to be. استخدموا was and were.